Hey, it's Gino from Stop Talking About Fragrance, and you have no idea. You just have no idea. I have no idea. You have no idea. Oh my gosh. Every couple of months, I get another installment from the Hendley Laboratory series, and it's just, I'm so glad I signed up for this. I'm just blown away every single time. Sometimes there is a blog post that he has for the Laboratory series that he'll explain the thoughts behind the fragrance. I looked earlier today and I didn't see anything posted. At this point, there have been 2 installments, one with a double release that was sort of a surprised fragrance, and this is the 3rd one. So let's open this up. I never know what to do. Do you close it all up? That looks better. I usually just leave it open with the pliers sticking out. All right, here we go. Here it is. Oh boy. I want to open up the package the way it was meant to be opened up. I never know how that is. Almost cut my hand. Oh, that's exactly how it's supposed to be opened. Oh, okay. So here's what it looks like when you open it up. Some paper. And I went for the 30 ml. There are different bottle sizes you can choose, even down to a 9 milliliter. So this is it. I don't even know what it says. I don't even know what it says. What does this say? Myst. I read it through the bottle. Whoa. Okay, let's put this away so I have no idea what's in this. I'm gonna try it on and see what I pick up. Holding my breath so it all hits all at once. You see? Oh my gosh, that is so good. Okay, so let's explain what I'm smelling. Okay, this smells, right off the bat, it gave me brief, I tell you, Hendley is just, okay, this reminds me of Untitled. So it has that like upscale vetiver. And I think that's orris too that I'm smelling. Musk. So woodiness. Is it cedar? I think it's cedar. Gosh, that's amazing. This would fit right in line with his current lineup. It's hard to say. It's like it feels happy, but it has that like juxtaposition sorrow in there, like it's trying to overcome a bigger sorrow. But it's bright and beautiful. Oh gosh, that is a winner and a half. And like the floral notes in it, just so evenly balanced, and like it looks like a gradient of like warm colors, but with like a bluish tinge in the top, like it's becoming night. Man, that is beautiful. That, I mean, this is like Hendley and a half for anybody. This doesn't feel like an experiment. This seems like he's planning to release this. I'm not saying that as like a prediction or anything, but this could definitely fit in easily with his current lineup and be a really good seller. This would be like a very, I don't know, this might be a very good introduction to Hendley's work from somebody who doesn't know. I'm definitely getting the iris now. Very, man, this is just, I need another bottle of this. This is, next year I might go for the bigger size if he does it, but this is quite amazing. Good grief. It's got like it smells like all the things. It smells like citrus. Well, I'm horrible at guessing what things are. So this is Myst, the Hendley Laboratory Series 2020, the third release, the fourth bottle, but the third release, and I am just so blown away with this one. This might be my favorite one, but I say that really loving the cola and the other ones. So I love all of them. It's hard to put these in order, but this one is definitely comforting and just beautiful. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting the iris the most out of this right now at the moment. So not really sure what iris smells like, but from past experience of the couple of iris fragrances I have, this reminds me of those. Doesn't remind me of those, but it reminds me of the thing that they have in common. So this is Gino from Stop Talking About Fragrance, and it's time for me to spray on some more of this amazing juice. Myst from Hendley Perfumes.